Today we're at Offgrade 4x4 Venture, and yep, this is the place. I'll take you to a tour inside. Alright. Some of the rigs in progress. Wow. Look at this. It's a soft roader, but it's a good base for an overland vehicle. I love what they did to the CRV because it's got rugged terrain tires, SR performance flat wrap, steady lights, chase lights at the back, nudge bar, rage nudge bar with steady driving lights. Ayos. Very nice. Alright, FJ Cruiser, just like the one you saw in front. Fully kitted out. This is one of the FJs that you see in some of our videos. Alright, our competition rig, Nissan Patrol, Ute. And another FJ, also one of the rigs you see often in our videos online. And then the boys are currently working on a Hilux GR-Sport. So anong kinakabit niya dito?
Sir, papantalong shocks.
Shocks. Ano to? Pro fender na Queen Series. Tama? Pro Fender Tune Series. Yan. Lift blocks. Papalitan yung shocks. Natin yung harap. Tapos na yung harap. Tingnan natin yung harap. Yon. Pro Fender Tune Series. Yan. Adjustable. Coil overs. And so adjustable ride height. Yan. Adjustable rin yung shocks. So, ganda, stabling. Ganda bagay oh, kasi red. Then ARB, UVP. Here's the other side ng front. Pro Fender Tune Series. Yan yung kanyang external reservoir. So, ayan, adjustable din. So, two adjusting points, one for compression, and then so one for downward travel, one for upward travel. Okay. ARB, under vehicle protection. Yan, so tinatanggal na yung likod para makabit yung lift block. Dito yung lift block lalagay. H Pro.
Ano ko muna yung jack para makadaan?
Okay. Ngayon itong off-road patrol. View of the inside. Yung, sorry. Ayan. Okay. Engine bay. Okay. Papalit na ng steering components. So, drag link bago. And steering stabilizer. There. Driver seat.
Subukan natin bumalik sa bawat daan ng makinig. Kahit na hindi makakalik, maabot ka na muli palagi sa pagkasabi. Kahit pa ilan ako, mga taga-ikip sa balong. Papagal man o malalim, palagi man o malalim nila.
Yan. Yan ang mga happenings ngayon. So, for your off-roading and overlanding needs, and Offgrade 4x4 adventure. Offgrade 4x4 adventure. And ayos. Konting tour lang rin tayo here inside. So, yan. Meron tayong mga accessories on sale. Jerry cans, light bars, roof racks, aux fan, we're selling drinks. Raptor coil springs, and for various other vehicles as well. Lights, horns, water port, reserve, and different sizes ng water port tsaka reserve. ARB fog lights, Marco horn, Hella horns, TJM lights, winch, ARB solis, and switches, straps, recovery points, and lights, dash cam, hat, recovery board mounts, radio, and mga wheel spacers, snorkels, more lights, and mga driving lights, Kings, Bush Ranger, T-Max, Hella, meron tayong mga mud guards, TJM Bush Ranger, meron din ARB niyan. Ito, flat racks, roof console, para may kabitan kayo ng mga radio. Ayan, mga recovery points, jerry cans, jerry can holder, snatch block, shackles, fair lead, recovery straps, diff breathers, compressor, air compressor and pump up kit, and recovery boards. Ano pa? Dami tayong stuff dito eh. Oh ha. Roof racks, crossbars, awnings. Marami tayong stock ng awnings dyan, iba-ibang klase. Yan, under vehicle protection. Yan, antennas, rigid light covers, trim packers. Yan. So dami tayong stock ng mga awnings and reserve tanks. Kahit mga rims meron tayo. Yan. And see tayo sa taas. Yan. Iba-ibang klase ng mga RTT. And yan, other accessories natin. Awnings, mga fridge, and cooking gear. Yan. Mga storage boxes, camp chairs, racing seats. Ayos. Offgrade 4x4 adventure. So, ito na yung Hilux na kinabitan natin ng Pro Fender Tune Series Hilux GR. So, ayan. Ayan yung Pro Fender Tune Series na kinabit natin. Ayan, may bypass shock siya. Ayan, likod. Ayan yung bypass shock. And ayan, ayan yung lift block. Ayan na siya, fully installed. And according to the owner, ayan yung adjustability niya. And here as well. Ayan. So tunable suspension, and according to the owner, performance is similar to Fox suspension, which the same owner has on his FJ Cruiser. Ayan. So Pro Fender Tune Series suspension. Thumbs up.